Hi, and welcome to this session. Are you ready to unlock the secrets behind financial data analysis and elevate your decision-making skills? Whether you are a professional exam candidate preparing for the ICAN case study or a finance expert looking to refine your analytical prowess, this video is your roadmap to mastering financial data analysis. Let's dive into the skills you need to turn raw numbers into strategic insights and actionable recommendations by understanding this brief purpose of financial data analysis. All right, let's dive into this quickly as we look at briefly the purpose of financial data analysis. Let me share my screen quickly and go in as usual, and let's talk about the purpose and what we should be able to do after we've wrapped up the third module or chapter 3, which is financial data analysis of the ICAN case study material. Okay, so by the end of this chapter, every candidate should be able to understand and explain the meaning and uses of financial data analysis in case study exams. Candidates should grasp the core concept of financial data analysis, including its significance in evaluating business scenarios and making informed decisions. This is key. Candidates should also appreciate how data analysis serves as a foundation for solving case study problems by uncovering trends, relationships, and financial health indicators critical to strategic recommendations. Also, candidates should be able to carry out financial data analysis using various tools. By mastering essential tools and techniques such as sensitivity analysis, budgeting, forecasting, and many more, candidates will be equipped to dissect financial statements and other relevant data sets. This ability enables them to perform precise calculations, validate assumptions, and derive meaningful insights critical to addressing exam requirements effectively. And thirdly, which is finally, candidates should be able to conclude and make recommendations based on the output of the financial data analysis they have performed. Now, after completing the analysis, candidates should be able to evaluate their findings critically, interpret numerical outputs, and assess their implications. This skill involves synthesizing the result into actionable conclusions and making strategic recommendations that address the problem at hand while demonstrating professional judgment, skepticism, and sound reasoning. This is very important and cannot be overemphasized. All right, now with that brief purpose, you've seen that purpose and how financial data analysis empowers decision-making and strategic problem solving is very critical. It's time to put these insights to work. Whether you are acing your exams or tackling real-world business challenges, remember, the numbers tell a story. It's up to you to interpret it and drive results. This is very important. All right, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert tips on finance, analysis, and professional growth. It's going to be a long journey, but this brief introduction to the units and the purpose, which is this video. We're taking a long trip. So buckle your seatbelt. See you in the next video. And until then, bye for now.